India's waterways are drowning in plastic and waste. But one deep tech company is using autonomous robots to completely change the game. Meet Clearbot. Their fully electric AI-powered boats use computer vision to detect floating waste, collect it autonomously, and send real-time data. No human crew required. In Bharatpur, one robot removed over 10.5 tons of waste from the historic Lohagarh Fort moat. In Gaya, a single boat cleared 5.5 tons from the Falgu River in just 15 working days. Municipalities love it. They don't buy the boat, they pay for clean water. Clearbot handles everything under a robots as a service model. Zero emissions, verifiable data, safer for workers. In June 2026, they raised $1.75 million to scale this fleet across more Indian cities and ports. This is production AI, not a pilot, not a demo. Indian deep tech is solving real sanitation problems at scale. Which robot should we cover next? Drop it in the comments and subscribe.